Many of us know individuals with Alzheimer's disease who are no longer able to perform everyday tasks or remember their loved ones. Shockingly, Alzheimer's disease is the sixth leading cause of death in the United States. Despite decades of research, however, how it develops is still poorly understood, and current therapies are not effective. My name is Katie Zarbach, and I work in a lab that researches the gut microbiome, meaning the bacteria that live in the intestines. Now, you're probably wondering, what on earth does the gut microbiome have to do with Alzheimer's disease? Well, some of the risk factors for Alzheimer's, like obesity and diabetes, can be directly influenced by the gut microbiome. How do our gut bacteria influence us? They often do so by producing small molecules when they eat our food for energy for themselves. One such small molecule is trimethylamine N oxide, or TMAO. TMAO has been shown to worsen diseases in organs that receive a lot of blood supply, like the heart and the liver. The brain is richly supplied with blood, so we wondered, could TMAO impact Alzheimer's? Looking in humans, we saw that levels of TMAO were elevated in individuals with Alzheimer's, and that these high levels of TMAO correlated with increased signs of Alzheimer's brain damage. But does TMAO directly worsen Alzheimer's? To answer this question, we need to be able to change the levels of TMAO, and this is difficult to do in humans. So, we work with mice that are bred to recapitulate much of the brain damage that occurs in Alzheimer's in humans. Using these mice, I am testing TMAO's impact in two ways. First, I am giving mice TMAO directly in their drinking water. And second, I am making bacterial communities that can and cannot make TMAO and implanting them into the guts of mice, very special mice, that originally had no bacterial life living inside them. Eventually, I'll take a look at these brains of the mice to see if TMAO worsens Alzheimer's brain damage. I expect to find inflammation and damage to the connections between brain cells. This is important because both of these have been shown to be big contributors to cognitive decline in humans. Uncovering whether TMAO worsens Alzheimer's disease will help us to better understand disease development and provide potential therapeutic targets to prevent or slow the disease, helping our loved ones to be more like the people they have always